I'm Zachy D, and today I'm going to show you my fishing everyday carry. So I take fishing with me, my backpack, and in the front pocket here, got pliers and snips, easily accessible for cutting line and fish and stuff. And then inside the bag is filleting knife, lure box, and some 20-pound line. So inside my tackle box, we've got, now this is the minnow section, shallow divers, and then we got deep divers, metal jigs, spoons, spinnerbaits and poppers, soft plastic shrimp, squid jigs, vibes, rubber traps and stuff, soft plastic swim baits, and then soft plastic big swim bait thingies or flukes, whatever you want to call them. So, and then I just got 20-pound line for tying like leaders and stuff, and then I got filleting knife, pretty sharp. Yeah, and that's the rod I usually use. This is the one I most use a lot. It's an Abu Garcia Pro Max. It's got 15-pound mono on it. And the rod is a Bionic Blade Bass Pro Shops. Focus. Yep. This is a, don't know how to say it, but just one of my lighter bait casters. It's a crystal power tip rod. Don't even know what that means. And then it's a 1 to 3 kilo, and this one I think is about a 6 to 8 graphite rod. And then this one here is an egg beater, copperhead. It's on a little super light rod. I've actually caught a shark on this one before. Oh no, it's an LV rod. And there's one more I do use is this one. Another bait caster, but it doesn't have a reel on it at the moment. It's a katana rod. If I was going to use this one, I'd swap the Abu for that, because if I was going to the dam chasing big barra, I'd probably want something a bit stronger than that graphite one. So yeah, enjoy the video, and maybe tomorrow on Friday I'll upload do a fishing video where I'm going to go snorkeling and spot some fish and then go fishing. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Goodbye.